Imagine a world where your creative visions come to life with just a few descriptive words. Midjourney AI is transforming this dream into reality, pushing the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve in art and design. Welcome to Appsolute, your one-stop channel to learn about the latest and trending artificial intelligence and software. We'll walk you through everything about Midjourney, from crafting powerful prompts to refining your creations. So get ready to unleash your inner artist and create something truly remarkable. Let's dive into Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generator that creates images from descriptions you provide in natural language, similar to other services like DALL-E 2 and Stable Diffusion. Here's a breakdown of what Midjourney is all about. 1. Text-to-image generation. Users input descriptive text prompts, and Midjourney AI interprets these to generate detailed and creative images. This feature lets users visualize concepts and ideas that might need help to create manually. 2. Discord-based. Unlike some AI image generators, you can't use Midjourney through a web app. Instead, it operates through a Discord server. 3. Community and sharing. Midjourney cultivates a lively community where users can share their creations, seek feedback, and collaborate on projects. This community-driven approach nurtures a supportive atmosphere, promoting artistic growth and innovation. 4. Versatile applications. Midjourney is versatile and can be utilized in numerous fields, including graphic design, advertising, concept art, gaming, and academic research. Its adaptability makes it an invaluable tool for anyone in need of visually compelling content. 5. User-friendly interface. Midjourney is designed with accessibility in mind, featuring an intuitive user interface that enables both seasoned professionals and novices to create and modify images effortlessly. Step-by-step tutorial on using Midjourney. Create a Discord account. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Discord account as Midjourney operates within the Discord platform. Head to the Midjourney website and click Join the Beta. This will either create a Discord account for you or link your existing account to Midjourney. Join the Midjourney server. Use the invite link to join the Midjourney server where you can access the bot. Look for channels labeled #newbies or #trial to start. Another way is, in Discord, click the plus button on the top left corner. Select Join a Server. You can find the Midjourney server by searching for it or using an invite link on the Midjourney website. Craft your text prompt. In the appropriate channel, type /imagine followed by your prompt. For example, /imagine a serene landscape with mountains at sunset. Be clear and concise. Use descriptive language to paint a picture with words. Examples, /imagine prompt, a big blue plane flying across the sky, or /imagine prompt, a soldier dressed in his full uniform saluting a senior officer. Midjourney will process your prompt and generate several image options. This may take a few moments. Refine your results. If you want to refine any of the images, you can use the U command to upscale for higher resolution or V to create variations of the selected image. Further refinement, optional. Area selection. Select a specific area of an image to refine the prompt for that section only. Positive prompts. Add details you like, e.g., cinematic lighting. Negative prompts. Exclude things you don't want, e.g., no watermarks. Save your artwork. Once happy, right-click the desired image and save it to your device. Tips. Experiment. The more you play with prompts, the better your results will be. Clarity is key. Concise and clear descriptions lead to better image generation. Embrace the community. Midjourney's Discord server has many resources and helpful users. In the next section, we will share some game-changing strategies for crafting prompts that you can start using today. Basic Midjourney prompts. Here are some samples to get you started with creating images in Midjourney. Fantasy. A majestic griffin soaring through a storm-filled sky, lightning illuminating its golden feathers. A hidden library nestled within a giant tree, its shelves overflowing with glowing books. A lone elf warrior facing a horde of orcs on a misty mountain pass. Surreal. A clock melting onto a chessboard, the pieces are frozen in mid-game. A staircase that spirals endlessly upwards, leading to a cloud-filled sky. A portrait where a person's face is made up of constellations. Sci-fi. A futuristic cityscape on Mars with towering structures built into the red rock. A lone astronaut exploring the wreckage of an abandoned spaceship on a desolate moon. A team of robots working in a bustling holographic workshop. Historical. A bustling marketplace in ancient Rome filled with merchants and exotic goods. A samurai warrior meditating in a serene bamboo forest. A portrait of Cleopatra adorned with gold jewelry, bathed in warm sunlight. Abstract. A kaleidoscope of colors explodes outwards, creating a sense of movement. A single geometric shape morphing and shifting, defying definition. A network of glowing lines connecting and pulsating, symbolizing interconnectedness. Remember, use keywords to describe what you want in the image. Experiment with different styles and details to achieve your desired outcome. Midjourney offers various commands to refine your results and explore the documentation for more advanced options. You can combine elements from different themes to create unique images. Use descriptive language to evoke the mood and atmosphere you desire. Include details about lighting, color palette, and composition for a more specific vision. Subscribing to a plan. Midjourney typically offers tiered subscriptions, with options like Basic, which costs $10, Standard $30, Pro Plan $60, and Mega Plans $120 monthly. Each tier provides a different amount of GPU hours per month, which translates to the number of images you can generate. Consider your image generation needs when choosing a plan. How to subscribe to Midjourney. To subscribe to any of the Midjourney plans, follow the following steps. 1. Open Midjourney's homepage. 2. Select the option to sign in with Discord. 3. Log into your Discord account using your credentials. 4. Click on the Manage Subs tab in the left pane. 5. Choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. 6. Enter your payment details, selecting from various available methods. 7. Complete the transaction to finalize your subscription. 8. You can now start using Midjourney to create advanced AI-generated pictures. Can I use Midjourney for free? Unfortunately, Midjourney no longer offers a free trial. Occasionally, they may provide a special trial when a new model or feature is released, but generally, you should only expect to use it while paying. As we conclude our Midjourney adventure, remember that creativity knows no bounds. From simple text prompts to mesmerizing AI-generated images, you have the power to transform ideas into visual wonders. Midjourney invites you to explore, experiment, and create, whether you're an artist, designer, or dreamer. Did you discover a cool feature in Midjourney that most people don't know about? Showcase it here and explain how it can enhance your creations. Subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with fellow creators. Let's paint the digital canvas with imagination, one prompt at a time. Thank you for joining me on this artistic voyage. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep Midjourneying.